Hello guys, so this is a requested video now, okay? And this video I will be talking about extra soap. You want me to give a review on it? Okay. The first thing is, my reviews are usually very honest because this is not a paid review. I haven't used this soap before. I've never used it before. I don't even know anything about it until I started getting messages about it, okay? Most of you want to know if it's a skin bleaching soap. So I'll be telling you what I think about this soap based on my research and based on the people that I've spoken to that have actually used it, okay? And I'll be telling you if it is safe to use and how to get the right extract soap, because there seems to be a lot of extra soap out there. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of it out there. So I will help you to know which of the extra soap is the real one and which of them is the fake, the one that you have to bin if you mistakenly get it. But before then, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're just strolling by and you saw my channel and you decided to come, visit. Thank you so much. It's good to have you. My name is Chiko Kelly. I am an esthetician and I teach skincare. Yeah, I teach you how to look after your skin. I also do a lot of beauty product reviews, okay? And this is one of them. And if you like what you're watching, hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And the bell button helps to keep you up to date when I upload new videos. All right, help me share this video, please. Help me share it and hit the thumbs up. The thumbs up is free. Subscribing is free. It's not going to cost you anything. So to the video, extra soap. Extra soap is a skin lightening soap. Okay, I actually did a review recently about skin lightening soaps that I use and I can attest to. I can vividly tell you that, okay, these soaps are good, these soaps are safe because I have used it. So if you haven't watched that video, check my channel. You will see the video there and watch it and find out my 4 favorite soaps that I use on my skin. Okay, extra soap is it doesn't have hydroquinone. From my research, this particular soap doesn't have hydroquinone, so it is safe to use, but don't use it on your face. Okay, use it on your body because it has fragrance in it, perfume and all that. So no, it's not something that I would recommend that you use it on your face, because if you use it on your face, it's going to cause your face to dry out a lot. It's going to strip out the natural oil that you want, and it may even cause you skin tissue burn. Okay, so avoid using it on your face. It also exfoliates your skin, so it has exfoliating properties, which is why you should never use it on your face, because using anything that has exfoliating properties on your face every single day is a no-no. It's going to damage your skin tissue. Okay, so this soap is a skin lightening soap. It doesn't bleach your skin. It keeps your natural skin tone, keep it glowing, keeps your complexion brighter and lighter. Okay, but there is a little bit of a setback for me when it comes to this soap, because it is 2 types. So one that is made in Nigeria and one that is made in the Philippines. Okay, and it has fake. There is fake extract out there. Sorry, there is fake extract soap out there, which is a bit frightening, because you can imagine if you go out there buying the fake one, what is going to happen to your skin? That would be really, really disastrous. Yeah, it can be. Now, this is how you will know the fake from the original. Okay, if you watch this picture up here or video, whatever, it will tell you if you're buying the fake or if you're buying the original one. Okay, so for those of you that want to know if it's safe to use, it's totally and 100% safe. Is it something that I will recommend you use? Yes, you can use it on your body, not on your face, but you have to make sure to get the original one, and you have to make sure whenever you're using it, you put your sunscreen on, and off you go, and keep that skin glowing. I hope you found this video very helpful, my favorite people. I love you so much. I hope you've given this video a thumbs up, help me share it, and you have subscribed. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.